Good afternoon. This is Cliff from RVs of Sacramento. We're going to look at a new floor plan for 2024. This is a Jay Feather rear kitchen model. Jayco has always offered a rear kitchen model. This is the latest variation of it. This is a 23RK. It's just over 29 feet in length, so it's still on the smaller side, which makes it a great option for couples that want a nice trailer that's roomy but don't want something that's too large to tow. Right away, we'll start out and we'll see that this is, of course, a rear kitchen model. Lots of drawers, cabinet space up top here. Of course, lots of counter space as well. You have your USB charging port, your large deep sinks with your gooseneck faucet. Of course, your Furrion stove and oven. Your Furrion microwave. At your entrance, you do have the option, a little bench that pulls out from beneath this area. It can kind of serve as a desk, a little workspace. Again, USB charging port for that couple that wants to be mobile and out on the road. Here's your control panel and your Furrion control for your tankless water heater. I really like this feature here. It's like your old desk from elementary school. Drawers, perfect size work area. Moving over here, we have a dinette that it is a utility table that does fold up so that you can make this into a bed, but you could also take the utility table outside as well and have it serve as just an area out there to sit at. This is a great place for board games, for cards, of course for meals. You do have the storage underneath each dinette booth, very deep, so you can bring a lot of gear with you here. Flipping around, we have the 12-volt Everchill refrigerator. So this does run off your battery. Good news about that, though. This does come with solar. So that solar panel and that 30-amp controller are always charging your battery. So you can basically leave your refrigerator on, and you're not wasting propane like you did in years gone by. Look how deep this cabinet space is right here. Love that. That's really, for a model that features the kitchen, they've really gone all out here. Of course, your theater seats, these are really nice and comfortable. These are the Stacy Stewart design chairs. Stacy Stewart, of course, is Jayco's in-house furniture designer in interior colors. Your TV is across from the theater seating, so what a comfortable way to sit and relax in a small trailer and enjoy each other's company. Stepping towards the back here, this model has a decent sized shower and bathroom area. Of course, medicine cabinet. You have the skylight and the shower, and of course a fan. Lots of room for changing. Deep cabinets for towels, other bathroom items. Stepping into the bedroom here, we can see this model has actually another entry and exit, which is always a nice value-added feature. Lots of space around the bed, true walk-around. And of course, you have electrical outlets on both sides of the bed. This is your wardrobe here. You can hang clothes or store additional stuff under there. You have this up over top as well. Very nicely appointed. And then in the front of the bedroom, of course, you have more drawers and counter space there on the side of the bed. Privacy door here. Does secure for traveling. So this again has been the Jayco Jay Feather 23RK. This is a super trailer for couples that want something small but still big enough they feel comfortable in it. If you have any questions on this model, be sure to reach out to us. You can call the number on the screen, 916-688-2199, or reach out on our website at www.rvsofsac.com. This has been Cliff from RVs of Sacramento.